Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Luis from Covenant Barbershop in Fresno, California. A couple of you guys sent me some messages saying you wanted to check out my shop and my workstation, so let's take a look. So here's the shop. Got a banner. It's my workstation over here. Here's where we make the magic happen. Haircuts all day long. My laptop. Here's my tools. Awesome, great tools here. I did a video about them the other day. You can check that out on my channel. Let's see. Tools for tools right there. Here's my station right here. Always try to keep it nice and clean. Make a good first impression for all the new clients that come in, and just always keep it nice and sharp. Alright. Here's my sink. Here's the other workstations. Got my half stack over there when I play guitar at the end of the day. I'm closed for the day right now. I've been working all day, but yeah, here's the front. This is Van Ness Avenue. My address is 1461 North Van Ness. If you guys want to send me any cool postcards or whatever, your guys' barbershops, I'm always interested. Meeting other people that we share a common trade. So yeah, pretty much it. There's my ghetto cruiser right there. Awesome mailbox right here, all pinstripe. One of my customers made this for me. Kind of dusty, it's got some talcum powder on there, but it's all pinstriped by a local pinstripe artist. All the barbershop rules and regs, my license, establishment license over there. Garbage can that needs to be thrown out. My banner I hang up when I go and do conventions and stuff like that. You'll find me at Fresno Tattoo Convention every year. I've already made about 3 appearances over there 3 years in a row. Here's my price board. Some of my prices right there. So yeah, this is Covenant Barbershop. I'm pretty blessed. Pretty blessed to own the shop and pretty much just work with whatever I got. Pick up things along the way, such as tools and whatnot. I just use a big metal toolbox to store all my stuff. Also, it helps when you cut out of town and whatnot. You go and set up workstation elsewhere to kind of promote your shop or whatever. It's easy to just load up everything in one toolbox. So my tools right there. Always make sure all your stuff, all your drawers and everything are labeled, in case any state board inspectors go. That's usually what they look for. Some supplies right here. So awesome. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.